Okay guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Orange Take It Your Short. Today we are doing week 3 of what it's like. And it's to go through a dishwasher. And y'all go.
Okay, we're going in. Bye. Okay, they're in. Let's see.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Well, hope you enjoyed this week's video.
Are you clean?
And we'll see you on next week's What It's Like. Bye.